Hello, welcome to Lockdown Drama. I'm Barry, nice to see you. If you haven't seen Lockdown Drama, the introduction, please go and watch that first. Off you go then. If you have done that, and indeed if you've seen some other sessions before this one, welcome back. Right, today we're doing an exercise called 1, 2, 3. Easy, okay. What you need for this is a partner. This can only be done with 2 people, not 3. So if you've got 3, one of you will need to sit down and you can arrange to take it in turns. If you've got 4, perfect, you split into 2s. There's a reason it can only be done in 2s. I shall explain at the end. So this is 1, 2, 3. Don't need anything else except a partner, okay? You will need to sit opposite your partner, okay? As relaxed as you like, that's fine, but make sure you're within slight touching distance. We don't need to social distance, we're at home, okay? Right, now, today I'm going to ask you to pause me at some point. So when I say off you go, don't forget to pause me. I want you to press pause on this video, and when you've done the bit that I've asked you to do, come back, press pause again, and we'll do the next thing. Okay, now there's something I've learned from these videos. Just remembered, I keep looking at my face instead of you. You're there, okay? It might not make a difference to you, but there's a subtle difference between looking up there and looking there. You see, I'm looking at my face. Really, I should be looking at yours. So I'm getting used to it. Bear with me. Bear with me. Anyway, back to 1, 2, 3. Okay, got your partner? Good. We're going to count to 3. Hands up, anyone who can't count to 3. What are you doing, you cheeky monkey? Put your hand down. Of course you can count to 3. I know you can. Okay? Right. Have you got your partner? I'm going to keep looking at you, not down here. You got your partner. Okay. Now this is what we're going to do. We're going to count to 3, taking it in turns to say the number. Now I'm going to demonstrate today with a partner. Okay. I've been fiddling around down here with my hand because here is my partner. Say hello. Hi. There. Good, isn't he? He hasn't got a name yet. Maybe I'll develop one. Okay. So this is what we're going to do. Decide who starts. Wait for it, I'm just going to demonstrate and I'll let you know when to start. So you face your partner like this. Okay, and I'm going to say 1, he's going to say 2, then I'm going to say 3. Got it? Yeah. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Easy. Then we're going to start again. And we're going to try and keep going without stopping. So when I finish saying 3, my partner's going to say 1. Okay, so watch. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Got it? Okay. Seems easy, right? So you need to find your partner, decide who starts. I'm going to ask you to pause me when I say now, okay? Then you're going to pause me, then you're going to try. When you've done it, come back to me. Try and get really fast without stopping. Okay, ready to pause me? Pause me now. Okay, well done. If you're back, it means you've unpaused me and you've tried 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. I'm sure you got really fast, so well done. We're going to try that again. This time, we're going to substitute 1 for a clap. So instead of going 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, it will go 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3. Okay, I'm not going to use my special partner this time. I don't think I need to. Just remember, don't say 1, clap instead. Okay, again, it's going to go 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3. Okay, decide who's starting. Get ready to pause me and then try it. Ready, pause me. How did that go? I'm sure it was brilliant. Well done. Okay, next. Have a guess what we're going to do? Yes, we're going to substitute 2. Can barely say it because it's so exciting. So, get rid of the 2 this time. Don't say 2. This time we're going to nod instead. My phone just buzzed. Excuse me. There. So, we're going to... It did it again. Sorry. It can't be someone getting in touch because this isn't live. So, this time it goes 3. 3, 3, 3. Again, try and get it really fast. Get ready to pause me and then do it. Okay, come on. Pause. Oh, well done, you unpaused me. Thank you. I could see myself there. That was awful. Fine. Guess what's next? Yes. And we're going to substitute the 3. This time there's a little bit of contact. You're going to tap your partner. If you're close to their leg, tap their leg, shoulder, something like that. Not their face. Don't give them a punch. Okay? So, there's going to be no sound this time. It's going to be... that is a tap. Okay, right. Ready? Get ready to pause me. And pause. Okay, thanks God, that was hurting. You did it. Well done. That's it. How fun was that? It's easy. Now, if you didn't do it with an adult, try it with an adult. It's just as tricky for them as it might be for you. Okay? And when this is all over, go to a party, try it with different people. You can also swap partners as you go. See how fast you can get. See how efficient and proficient you can be at that little exercise. Why does that cause a bit of a problem? 1, 2, 3. Well, it's because there are 2 of you and you've got 3 numbers to say. Now, if there were 3 of you, it would be easy. You just go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. You'd say the same number every time. But because there's 2 of you, you keep having to take it in turns, so you can't rely on saying the same number. Fun. That's it. That's my one for today. 1, 2, 3. Easy as that. Come back. Look for the next one. Thank you so much for joining me. I'm getting used to looking there and not there. Oh, my face. Ugh. Okay, see you soon. Bye. Oh, hang on. Someone else wants to say bye. Bye. Oh, that's embarrassing. He's got his eyes closed. He's not used to these videos either. Hang on. He's somewhere. Where are you? Bye. Bye. Okay. Bye. Thanks very much.